Hello everybody. I hope everyone is having such a great day so far. If you're new here, hi, my name is NK. Please subscribe so that you do not miss out on any fun content on my channel. We are nearing the end of Vlogmas. I do want to preface and say that this video will be the very last video for Vlogmas. And Vlogmas took a few dips and turns and a few unexpected things happened, so I do want to be very candid and transparent about that. However, I still made the commitment to get out virtually as many videos as possible. This will technically be the 24th video, but it will be labeled Vlogmas Day 25, simply because I am, like I said, trying my best to push through and make all of these videos, and it is honestly has been a lot of work. But again, I've learned so much about myself, my editing style, my work ethic, learning how to roll with the punches. Some videos got deleted, like footage. So many things have happened, but overall, I just want to maintain a positive attitude about it all. And like I said, I learned a lot, and still getting out 24 videos in 25 days is incredible. So I'm really proud of myself because this is my first Vlogmas, and this is a brand new channel. So I want to give myself a pat on the back for that. Anyways, so I'm gonna take you guys through my day. Right now, today is technically December 24th. And so I'm going to take you through my day from today through tomorrow. This video is gonna go up on the 26th then, because I have a video that will be going up tomorrow morning on the 25th, but it's for day 23. I know that sounds super confusing, but you'll see it when it all goes up. The reason why I'm combining these 2 days is because I'm going to Napa with one of my good friends, and they are letting me come to their house in Napa. It's a gorgeous place. Napa just is like the creme de la creme. It's just so gorgeous, so stunning, and I haven't been in over a year. So I'm excited to go spend time with him and his family. They are Jewish, so they don't celebrate Christmas. And like I said, I'm not going home this year, and I just made that decision based off of a few things happening in the past month and a half or 2 months that really I felt like it's better that I just stay here, focus on what I need to focus on work-wise, and keep it pushing. And so that's the decision I made. Behind me, it's kind of a mess. I fit all of that into my suitcase, and you might be thinking, why is she bringing a suitcase for a literal one-nighter? And it's just because I am who I am, and I have so many clothes. One. Two is that I literally am gonna shoot content there as well. So I'm bringing, I'm gonna be wearing an outfit today, and then I have one for tomorrow, but then I have 2 extra outfits. So there's 4 outfits total that will be shot. I have my tripod, and I'm excited to see the scenery there because, it's Napa. So it's I feel like it's more gorgeous. Not saying San Francisco is not, but you know what I mean. So that is what's gonna happen. He's gonna come and pick me up around 3. We're gonna drive up. It's about it's an hour 20 up, so it is a good amount of time. So I'll vlog just throughout. Before I leave today, I'm gonna be making banana bread, my chocolate chip banana bread. I realize I've made it this will be my 4th time making it in a month and a half, which is kind of a lot, but it's super good, so can you really complain? It's really good. So I just wanted to make it as just something, something festive, kind of, I guess. I just like making baked goods. I don't make them very often, but when I do, I just like to have them to munch on. I feel like this is gonna be the longest vlog of all of the vlogs in Vlogmas, and it's the finale, so we're gonna really make this special for you all. Let's get it going, guys. today I'm hopping back on this vlog. Do apologize that most of the day I did not capture simply because it was very hectic, but I finished the banana bread. That went really well and it's at home, and now I'm in Napa. The drive was gorgeous and really good conversation, and now I'm at my friend's house, which is absolutely stunning. And right now we're with his mom and we're just hanging out, drinking wine. We're gonna go see a little bit of downtown Napa. It's gonna be great. I just wanted to show you guys my outfit that I decided to wear today. So this is the Zara jacket that honestly looks really, really, really good. I've already got a few compliments on it. I'm wearing this also. Actually, this whole fit is from Zara. So this is Zara, and then this green wrap long sleeve shirt is from Zara, and then these leather pants are also from Zara. So we have a whole Zara fit, which we love. These are from Majuri, and then I have an Orate ring, and then my Avery Jewels ring. And then this is from Beads by Tara that my roommate gifted me, which is so sweet. And then these are from Erica Woolston. So I have a bunch of jewelry going on, I guess. It's been a really, really great day so far. Can't complain. And we're gonna continue with the vlog. I'm gonna try to get as many clips as I can. But again, I'm just trying to be present in my experiences and in the moment, and not trying to like have my camera out for everything, because I don't think that's necessary. But I'm also just trying to like pop in to like give you guys a little bit of snippets. So this is a snippet that I'll give you. Oh, also, you can't even see my shoes, but they are from Mark Fisher. So I really, really, really like this outfit. I'm gonna try to get an Instagram picture tomorrow. It's just the drive was an hour long. By the time we got here, the light was pretty much gone. But tomorrow's a new day. Hey, I have all my makeup, brought all my stuff. I brought a bunch of stuff. I feel like I already said that. I wanted to be prepared. It's better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. But anyways, I hope everyone's having a great day so far, and I will show you the rest of the vlog. Hello, we are in the portion of the evening where we've had a little bit of food, we've had some wine. I'm having such a good time with my friend Joey and his family, and me and his mom are just the best of friends, which we love. We just set up the blowout mattress and we had a really good conversation, and I've just changed to be comfortable. I still have to edit tonight, so I'm trying not to like drink too much, but having a good time. This is the Pretty Little Thing shirt that I got gifted when I was in Miami. I'm just wearing black joggers from Nordstrom. We're gonna go to the hot tub too, so I might get some footage of that. House is stunning. But we're having a good time. All right, so we've eaten dinner. We had such a great conversation, had some wine, and now we're gonna go in the hot tub. I'm sorry that most of the clips have been in the bathroom. However, again, I'm just emphasizing that I do want to be present while I'm in the midst of the people who I'm with, because I think that's the most respectful thing. So that's why I'm not just pulling out my camera and being like, oh, like da 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 da, you know, like just, I feel like that's just not who I am, and that's not what I'm about. And especially with a new setting and a new place I'm in, like, I just want to be respectful. So I hope everyone can understand that. If it was just with my friends, that'd be a different situation, but it's not. And I'm trying to be respectful, and I'm also trying to just immerse myself in the situations I'm in. And right now I'm just getting so much out of the experience right here in this beautiful home with my friend's family. Like, I'm trying to just live in that. I'm in a one-piece swimsuit. This, I think, this is from Shein. I bought it a long time ago. So we're gonna do the hot tub. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna get any clips. I'm sorry, but it's just because I am, again, what I just said, I don't have to harp on that. It's been lovely. Hey everybody, so today is part 2 of the same vlog. I decided to combine the 24th and 25th, so today is the 25th of December. Merry Christmas for whoever celebrates, and happy holidays in general. I woke up pretty early just because I naturally wake up early, and I'm uploading VLOGMAS 23 right now. I had to edit it. Going to do some skincare. I always wake up with like really oily skin, but anyways, we'll fix that. I'm going to be doing the Kiehl's Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask, so I'm excited about that, so I'll put that on soon. But then I also wanted to unbox the gift that Joey and his mom got me, which was so nice. I was not expecting it, and they know how much I love self-care, so I feel like this will be perfect for this portion of the vlog, because it is a literal whole container of like self-care stuff. Yes to tomatoes charcoal peel off mask. We have a lot of masks here, fam. Facial sheet mask, great. A yes to grapefruit brightening bubbling mask. Satisfying intense black peel off mask. By the brand Everspring, and it is their lemon and mint essential oil. Like I said, I just ran out of this, so this is perfect. For me, big bath gal. So we have the eucalyptus and blossom and tea rose. So it smells so good. I love both hibiscus and strawberry. So I'm incredibly thankful. Like, I did not expect it. It was just so sweet. I'm like bonding with his mom so well. This is one of my friends, by the way, Joey. He's great. The hot tub was awesome. Deep chat. Just everything I needed, I feel like. It was very therapeutic. Alright, so here is the mask on. I know the last clip was me putting it on, but here it is on. This is a clay mask. I know I put this in another video, like what it is and why I love it. I like to just leave masks on. I know, like longer than it says. Usually all masks are like 10 to 15 minutes. I like to leave them on for like 20 to 30. It doesn't do anything wrong or like bad to your skin. And I just feel like I just want to leave it on for a little bit. I need to upload the video, which honestly takes a while anyway, and then write the description. I already made the thumbnail. I'll just do all that stuff, let it be, and then I'll take it over. Everyone is having a great day so far. I know this will go up tomorrow, so I hope everyone had a great day, a great like Christmas with whoever you're spending it with. I know that Christmas and the holidays can be hard, and I know I've heard a lot of videos and podcasts about this, and I can resonate with this so strongly, so I felt like I should also get on here and say that while it is literally the actual day. But definitely spend time with whoever or yourself, whatever makes you feel okay and calm and at peace. Like, that's what you should be doing no matter what. So you guys are great. Hang in there and have a great day so far. I'm going to be shooting some content, so I'm kind of prepping my face for that, I guess. But I really just wanted to wear a mask. So okay. Again, so I had breakfast and that was really nice. We had bacon and corn pancakes. So if anyone has had like cornbread mixed pancakes, they're really good. Listened to some music and then I took a shower, got ready. I actually shot content, so it was nice to just like get to do that here. It's a different setting, a different place. I got 4 looks done. This was one of them. This is the last one. I knew I wanted to do this last because I'm gonna go home in it. It's literally almost the same exact thing as yesterday, but I didn't get any photos in it yesterday. But I have a black turtleneck, again, all from Zara. Clearly a big Zara gal. I'm wearing the same shoes, the Mark Fisher boots. You can see those. And now it's around 2 p.m. We're going to head back to San Francisco. So it was super nice to get to spend time here in a different place for the holidays, and I'm really thankful. And I will be hanging out with my other friend Kristen later this evening, so I will get a few clips of that. But just wanted to check in with everybody and let you know how it's going. Hello everybody. So I wanted to film the outro of this video because I was really tired and I did not do it the day before. But this video will be going up today, so you'll see it today anyways. I had a great rest of my day. I put a few clips of me at my friend's house. We watched The Bachelorette and we had dinner. We made Christmas cocktails. It was really nice and it was really good to spend a full day with friends. So with that being said, I'm glad that I got this vlog up. Again, Vlogmas has been great. I have posted almost every single day in December, and I'm really, really proud of that. If you're new here, like I said at the beginning of the video, please subscribe so you do not miss out on any of my fun content, and connect with me on my other socials. I do a lot of different things on my other socials, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, so it's a fun time. With that, thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you on my next video.